All right, so in this video, we are going to be installing the T56 Magnum transmission, just shoehorning it into the car here. So the transmission came from Summit Racing. We got our clutch kit installed in a previous video. So in this video, you're just going to watch me struggle put this thing in all by myself. So let's get right into it. All right, so my wife helped me get the transmission down on the ground. I put it on this cardboard and I slid it under the car because I don't have that much height under here. Now I have to wrestle it onto the jack that you see behind there and then install it. So this is going to be a fun video watching Matt struggle how to install this transmission. All right, and the bolts for the bell housing to block and bell housing to trans are M10 by 1.5 thread pitch by 40 millimeter long. I went with class 10.9 and in this hex flange, and I got these at McMaster. I bought 2 packs for like 15 total because I had some other stuff I had to order from there. So there you go. The GM bolts are like $3 each, total ripoff. So this is all you need. All right, success. I got it in there. It's in there with just a few bolts. Have it supported with 2 scissor jacks, one on the engine, one on the back here. I'm waiting for a cross member. I did buy the Hooker cross member, so I figured why not at this point. Spent all this other money. That cross member sets the driveline angles and whatnot, so stay tuned for that video. We'll get that cross member in there, set the height, and then everything's kind of set in stone. I can place an order for a drive shaft and do some other things. Obviously, the tunnel patch will be the next big thing. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. I'm waiting on some parts. Some parts came in, and they were missing components due to shipping, the box opening and whatnot. So I'm going to try to get some more parts, and we'll see where the next video takes us.